Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have 4 homes to show you guys. 3 out of the 4 will be under 15 million Jamaican dollars, and they're all located in St. Catherine. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. So the first home I want to show you guys is this one listed for 15.6 million Jamaican dollars, or US $101,358. Now this one is located at the Orchard in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property. As you can see guys from the pictures, the house seems fairly new, as stated as well by the realtor. It is also an open concept living area, living, dining and kitchen, bright open concept. Everything is just, really open and airy. As you can see, you have a little peninsula in the kitchen there. That's a little cute design just to separate that living room area from the kitchen. Now, I've always gotten many requests for the Spanish Town area, and despite the uptick in violence in Spanish Town area, what we have to remember too guys is that St. Catherine is one of Jamaica's largest parishes. And if you have St. Catherine as one of the largest parishes, the areas in St. Catherine are also going to be large, and the cities there and the towns there as well. So I don't want you to look at Spanish Town as this one isolated area and with one lane. There are many different areas of Spanish Town, and I know persons who still seek out homes in Spanish Town, persons who have no desire to move from Spanish Town, persons who want to build in Spanish Town, because it's just multiple areas of Spanish Town that you can reside. So do not be perturbed by any uptick in violence in the area. Spanish Town is a large area. Now the realtor that you're going to reach out to is Robert Kerr, and you can contact him at 876-564-6380. And I'll put more of his information in the description box down below. Alright, so I'm finally able to answer the calls that I've been getting for unfinished homes. So here's one that's listed for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars, or US $92,211 at Seaview Way, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Now this one is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and it sits on a 3,942 square foot lot. Now, as you can see, this home had a part that was, previously done and so forth. And then they started to expand, and it's unfinished towards the front. So as you can see, there's like a living room area and a veranda and so forth that's unfinished. So it's just needing a new buyer, a new owner who is going to come in and do that finishing touches and just make this house truly a home. Now, as you can see, this property sits on a gently sloping piece of land, which really addresses the concern for persons who are afraid of flooding, which is something that you guys always, mention to me, but it is a genuine concern. So nice, gently sloping land where, water will run off, which is really good. There's also space towards the back of the house for further expansion, and this one will be really good for a growing family. So as you can see as well, towards the back of the house, you do have like your little wash area with a wash tub set up already. This is really good. Seaview Way also, probably if you catch on by now, you are close to the sea and you get some nice sea breeze, and which is really good and really nice, especially for times like now where it's like a hot summer in Jamaica. I have gotten so many requests for unfinished homes on my Instagram. So I hope this one is one that you guys will be interested in. You know, the Old Harbour one is close. Old Harbour is close to so many different schools, facilities, shopping, malls, all of it. So if you're interested in this one, you're going to reach out to Andrea Foster, and you can call her at 530-8238. That's 876-530-8238, and I'll also put the information in the description box down below. Now, remember I said that one of these homes would be over 15 million Jamaican dollars? Well, it's for a good reason. Now, this home is listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars, or 116,951 US dollars. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home located on Oyster Close, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. This home sits on a 3,461 square foot lot with lots of space for expansion and also space for backyard gardening and play area for your kids. Now, this home is located in the community of New Harbour Village 1, and I think this one would make a great starter home. It will also be really good for persons who have a growing family. So it also features 24-hour security in this community. And if you're interested in this one, I had to just zoom out so you guys could see like how expansive the lot space is. Look at that. You have your little washroom area towards the back to do your laundry, and then inside is open concept living, dining, kitchen. All right, you guys, so if you're interested in this one, I will leave the link to the realtor in the description box down below. And the description box is just the area right below the title of the video. All right, guys, so as you can see, lots of area at the back to expand and just turn it into your dream home. I don't see where this one would stay on the market for too long, right? So if you're interested, I'd suggest you guys jump on this one really quickly. You have your water heater, so it's looking good. It's looking good. You also have nice big fruit trees in the back of the yard, which is also really good. So if you're interested, check this one out. Link in the description box to speak with the realtor. Again, it's 18 million Jamaican dollars, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, Oyster Close, Old Harbour, St. Catherine, 3,461 square foot lot. I had to zoom in so you guys could really see like how big the backyard is. Alright guys, so this is the last home I have to show you today. This one is listed for 13 million Jamaican dollars and it's located in Gregory Park, Portmore. Now this one is the cheapest one that I have to show you today, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's really priced to go pretty quickly. And yeah, so let's take a look at this one. I always get requests for the Portmore area, of course, one of the most requested areas. So let's look at this one. As you can see, you do have some kitchen cabinetry already in place. You have a wash area which can, you know, hold like your laundry, like a double tub. So here you see a double tub is there, and it's there's space as well for your washing machine. Now I do not have much pictures to show of this one. This one you just have to reach out to the realtor if you're interested, and I'll put the realtor's information in the description box down below. So if you're interested in this one here, Gregory Park area, close to lots of schools, churches, shopping facilities, plazas, malls, you know, the Portmore area. It's just, you know, the little city. Portmore is a little city and Gregory Park is close to all of it. So you can reach out to the realtor. I'll put their information in the description box down below. Again, this one is 13 million Jamaican dollars. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and for watching. I want you guys to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Thank you guys so much for always commenting and supporting. Of course, remember to follow me on all socials at Safe Haven. And until my next video, bye guys.